He says it's famous for samosas, but I remember it being famous for.
You want to have something?
No, I had already. Thank you. Yeah, I shared it, man. It's so good. So I don't know what you guys are having.
There is they rear cows here somewhere over there, and they make that milk sweet out of it. Let's see if they're still there, and let's try to get that.
Namaskara. How are you?
Fine.
So you're making this, yeah?
I ain't got.
Ayangot special. Ah, beautiful. And is the milk is special?
Yes.
Ah,
Milk and ghee.
milk and ghee. And how many years have you been making?
More than 80 years.
80 years. Your family?
Yes.
Ah, wow. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
My father
Yeah?
innovated this
Right, okay.
Yes.
So he, originally your father,
because the two students going for the school
yeah,
hardly get paisa.
right,
Hardly get paisa.
yeah,
Within their rate, they should get nutritious food.
okay,
Was his intention.
right,
When it was introduced,
uh-huh. He was thinking for the children,
Yes.
giving nutrition,
yes.
yeah,
The poor children.
This is 3 paisa.
3
3
paisa.
paisa. If you divide 100 rupees into 100 times,
Uh-huh.
only part 3.
Oh.
3 paisa it was. Hello. Enjoy.
Oh, that is delicious. In my country, we would say it's like a fudge.
Right. Yeah.
Not too sweet, it's just perfect.
Yes, perfect.
Thank you.
You can eat this one packet. It will hold your stamina for at least 3 hours. You will have energy for 2 hours.
And what's your good name?
Balakrishna.
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 Balakrishna. Thank you. Yeah, I shared it, man. It's so good. It's so good.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Balakrishna, thank you. Thank you. Thank you again. It's beautiful.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
And it's nice these guys have recommended
Of
you.
course.
Yeah.
Because of him, I met you.
Yeah.
I'm grateful for him.
Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day. Bless you.
course, to
Thank
me
you.
as well.
Thank you. So, not to show the location, I understand this. And it's my pleasure to meet you and to have the opportunity.
Of course.
And we never spoil a good thing, right?
So in the evening, this place will be bustling with people, but now the crowd has gone down because it's almost noon. But I like this setup because they've used the space very well. So it's like a little space that is left below the stairs. They've used it, that place over there. So we're gonna try the Mysore Maharaja blend here. That's jaggery syrup,
Okay.
sweetened.
Jaggery syrup.
Yes.
Nice.
So for the ginger tea that you coffee you ordered, they'll gonna put dry ginger powder in it.
Right. Wow. Lovely.
Yeah. This is the ginger coffee, and this is the normal coffee. And now they're gonna make the Maharaja blend. That is the specialty here.
So a jigger of coffee. That's the jaggery
Jaggery
syrup.
Oh, it's hot.
Shamith is going to cool it down. Also mixes the sweetener through, right? Oh, it's like chocolate. It's like chocolate, right?
Yeah, dark chocolate is
Sweet. How come that's so chocolatey?
I think maybe because the blend with the jaggery syrup in it, that gives you that chocolatey flavor.
Yeah. There's no cocoa in there, right?
No, it's 100% Arabica if I'm not wrong.
So the jagger makes the, because it's dark toasted.
It's dark roasted 100% Arabica blend.
And then
the ginger coffee.
the ginger coffee.
Ginger coffee. Ever tried ginger coffee before?
Yeah. Yeah, I've had ginger with coffee before. I like it. It goes well together, ginger and coffee, you know.
I used to have the ginger tea, but not ginger coffee.
It's like a masala coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a nice combination. A little heat of ginger. Try this.
Ginger in it, bro. Can you?
You can't take the
I
ginger?
don't think so. I think you took up the ginger.
No, you can.
I can't taste it. It's just the coffee is too bitter for me, I guess.
You don't drink coffee,
No, I
right?
don't.
Oh, sorry, man. I'm
That's
making you
okay,
drink
that's okay.
coffee. That one is the best. I like the ginger. It's very slight, but
Okay.
it almost tastes like a Christmas coffee.
Okay. Okay.
This is just the standard coffee. Oh, man.
It's coffee. Yes. Then
Oh, now I'm getting the ginger.
No, you're
Now
not.
I'm getting
No,
the
you're
ginger.
not.
Now I'm getting the ginger.
A little too much now, right? A little too much ginger?
No. Now I put.
It's like, oh yeah, it's really strong. It has to be quite slight. It can't be too strong, otherwise it would kill the coffee. But it's yeah, it's nice. Yeah, this is good coffee also, but this one is the best.
Oh, okay.
That's good, man. That's nice coffee. Good choice.
Right.
You often get chocolate notes in coffee, which is not unusual, but that one was unusually rich. Okay, so we just had that beautiful meal at Sandia's. And they're going to put me in a food coma, I think, because we're heading over to... Apparently there's a milk pudding that comes from the cows who are in calf.
The milk is really hard to sort, so whenever the cow gives birth, only then for the first 3 days you can get this milk.
Right.
So it's made of that milk.
And always they have this milk?
These people seem to have it most of the time. Whenever
They have?
has it. Yes, luckily we have it.
Ah, thank you.
Cardamom powder on top of it.
Cardamom powder on top? Okay. So this is the pudding, and you say this is... So it's like a really rich...
Yep, rich milk with nutrients. So it's for the calf, the newborn calf of the cow. So
And it's a sweet... Well, let me try it. And what's the name?
it's in Kannada. It's called Ginnu.
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 Wow. Almost like it's a curd, like a set curd. Oh, smells really nice. That's delicious. It's like a really, really thick curd, right?
Yeah.
Still warm. It's almost like when you cut the curd for making cheese. Reminds me of cheese making. So I don't know what you guys are having. It's really good, right?
It's just fresh. It's still warm.
Yeah.
They've just made it.
So this is like a panna cotta that's really fresh and set firm. It's almost like a Greek yogurt but better. You and me, we'll finish. So that place was great. Chennai, good day. Very good. So Shamith has brought us out to a place. It's a place we know well. I'll drop a little video in here. You can see we've been here before. I think 5, maybe 6 years ago. This guy only makes a handful of foods, but they're so busy. All sorts of little crispy flavors and spices and herbs. Even then I noted this was one of my favorite, probably one of the best places that we ate at the time we were here last time. The interesting thing is, he says it's famous for samosas, but I remember it being famous for puri. So let's see. So this place is really off the beaten track. It's not a long way from Devaraja Market, which is sort of that way. And there's this little temple here. This is where I went in before.
Okay.
I like this little temple. They might remember me.
He remembers you selling here.
You remember?
I know you because last time you have done a video.
And we sat here, right? Yeah.
I saw you from there on.
Yeah. Some of these guys I remember, I'm not sure. Some people are... He's the old, you're the old guy. I gotta have some puri because last time we had puri here and some samosa.
पान समोसा
I love these guys.
पान समोसा एक कचौड़ी है
Whatever he recommends.
Okay.
Dahi puri, yeah, and maybe 2 samosas. Thank you, man.
जामुन पार्सल समोसा देना
They're good.
Yeah. It's really good. Everything is balanced. Not too sweet, not too spicy.
This is a vada pav.
Vada pav. Inside is that is aloo palya. The one that is inside dosa.
You ready?
Yes.
This looks good. Good.
Here in India, the people are crazy for the samosa and jalebi.
Yeah. Jalebi?
Yeah, you're not taste
Sweet,
jalebi?
yes,
it's
sweet
good.
jalebi.
Yeah,
Samosa and jalebi.
Yeah.
And gulab jamun, huh?
spicy.
Very good, man. What are you having?
If you want to have something,
No, I had already. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Okay, Shamith is bringing us down the alleyways. We've got another treat in store for you. Chaat. Ah, this is a tiny little store, man. That's nice.
1991.
Namaskar, how are you?
I am fine.
So you're famous, he tells me.
Yes.
Ah,
Since 1989.
right.
Yes.
What are you making? Chats?
Yes.
Ah, what do you recommend? Master. Oh, okay.
You want more spicy, hot salt,
Okay.
or lemons,
Just to customize it, so you have a taste. You tell them you want more spice or like more sour. They
Or
make it as is.
A little more salt.
yeah.
Huh? Super salt.
Super salt.
Ah, a little more spice, I think. A little more.
You want little more
a little
spice?
more spice, yeah.
Salpa.
Oh. Ah, perfect.
Green chili paste.
Nice.
This is called sweet,
Sweet.
made from tamarind,
Tamarind, okay.
Jaggery.
And jaggery. Little salt.
dates.
And honey.
And dates.
Dates.
Okay.
Black resin.
Right. I know. Yeah.
This is all put this.
Thank you.
Very much.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you. Left hand, forget the last one. Perfect, thank you. So I made a rookie mistake and went with my right hand. Very good. And ginger?
Made from rose petals.
Can you make small?
Yes.
Thank
then
you.
with ice cream.
Oh, wow.
Super.
Whoa. Go.
It's
a dessert.
Very yummy.
Thank you.
Come
Come,
inside.
show me. Show me.
It's a sweet rose-petal.
Ah, rose petal, huh?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But a good combination.
It's a great combination.
It's some banana.
Banana?
Yep.
Butterscotch.
Yes. Good combination.
I got a sweet tooth, you got to know, right? Wow. It's a great combination. Let me get banana also. I love the rose petal. It's really nice finish. Try this.
Ooh.
It's rose petal.
Nice.
It's very good. Thank you, man. Any better. Champion. Beautiful.
You like it?
I like it a lot. 10 out of 10, I think perfect.
Oh,
Huh?
thank you.
We only came for one thing, and we've had 4.
Yeah.
This is Ayurvedic.
Ayurvedic,
Yes.
huh? And what's the name?
This is called Nannari.
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 Yes.
Nannari.
It's a root.
It's a root, yeah?
Syrup made from
In
Sir.
Canada? Sokade Beru. Sokade Beru. My Canada's okay? Oh wow. Yeah, it's like got a medical sort of like a medicine.
Thumbs up
Oh wow, that's really nice. Thank you, man. And that's good for my my stomach. Wasn't that beautiful? So chapata chats. Thank you. Nani vada. Yeah, I'm counting.
You said you captured I'm hiding my cash.
Okay, let's go with this. They're famous for these. They're famous, right? Okay. That's beautiful. Fantastic.
You're getting the same taste.
Still the best. Still the best.
This is small.
Okay, I'll have.
We share it.
This is about 5 meals this afternoon, but I love gulab jamun. Let's finish the evening on something sweet. One of my favorite desserts, gulab jamun. One of my favorite places in Mysore. Thank you, brother. Okay, great way to end the evening. Just the last words, right?
Ban.
Ban,
DD.
DD,
V.
DDV.
Ban DDV.
Okay, take 40. Namaskara, Sandhya's house,
All we
gay
need is a place to be
DDV.
and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Gay ban DDV. So take that, stick it on the other end of this one, make it look good. Gay ban DDV.